In this video, we'll be discussing about animal cell structure. Have a look. This is animal cell. Animal cells are generally smaller than plant cell. Another defining characteristics is its irregular shape, whereas plant cell is rectangular in shape, whereas animal cell is irregular shape. This is due to the absence of cell wall. Animal cell does not contain cell wall. Cell wall, what is the function of cell wall? It gives shape and strength to the cell. Cell wall is not present in animal cell. That's why it is irregular in shape. Okay. Now, animals share other cellular organelles with plant cell. So, let's discuss about the cell organelles present in animal cell. Okay. Cell membrane, a thin semi-permeable membrane present outside the plant cell. This is also called plasma membrane. Plant cells contains nucleus which is present in the center, whereas in animal cells contain nucleus which is present in the center, whereas nucleus is present at the corner of the plant cell. In animal cell, it is present in the center. Okay. And nucleus consists of three parts: nucleolus, nucleoplasm, and nuclear membrane. Plant cells contains endoplasmic reticulum, network-like structure. Some are smooth, means with ribosome. Some are rough, with rhizosome, and smooth without ribosomes. Golgi apparatus, it also contains Golgi apparatus. Sac-like structure is called Golgi apparatus. Cytoplasm, which is present inside the cell. Mitochondria, which help in the respiration, it is called powerhouse of the cell. Ribosome, which help in the protein synthesis. Lysosome present in animal cell, whereas it is absent in plant cell. It is also called suicidal bag of the cell because it kills and engulfs the dead and decaying organelles. Got it? Now, cytoplasm is a jelly-like substance. It is a jelly-like substance, contains all the cell organelles. All the cell organelles are present in cytoplasm. Okay. And the substance found in the cell nucleus, inside the cell nucleus, inside the nucleus, nucleoplasm is present, and inside the cell cytoplasm is present. Okay, next is Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus is flat, smooth layered sac-like organism which is located near the nucleus and involved in manufacturing, packing, and transporting the food particles throughout the cell. It helps in manufacturing, storing, packing, and transporting the particles throughout the cell. Next is mitochondria. As I told you, mitochondria is called powerhouse of the cell. These are spherical or rod shaped. They are powerhouse of a cell that play an important role in releasing energy. And this energy is used for various functions in our body. Next is ribosomes. It is a small particles present in the cell wall. It's made up of RNA and they are site of protein synthesis. Ribosome help in the synthesis of proteins. Next is endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum. Here you can see the structure of endoplasmic reticulum, which is network-like structure present around the nucleus. Okay, this organelle is composed of thin network of membrane sac, help in the transportation of material from cytoplasm to nucleoplasm. Next is vacuole. Vacuole is present, or either if it is present, then it is very small in size. Okay, so these are the structure of animal cell. So what is the difference between plant and animal cell? Plant cell contains cell wall, plant cell contains plastid, plant cell contains cell and it also plant cell contains central vacuole, whereas these three organelles are absent in animal cells. And rest of the organelles are present in both plant and animal cell, like mitochondria, ribosomes, plasma membrane, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, nucleoplast, cytoplasm. And one more difference is there: animal cell contain lysosome, whereas plant cell does not contain lysosome. Okay.